Hello, friends. Thought we'd do a little bit of a fun one today. I was looking through one of Zillow's articles about the 10 hottest housing markets for 2026, and I wanted to look at Los Angeles specifically. And it came in at number 8 on their list, below San Jose up north, and number 1 was Hartford, Connecticut, which surprised me. But I thought this data was really interesting. Typical home value in Los Angeles is 941,869. 42% of Los Angeles homes sold above their asking price in 2025. There are 18.5% fewer homes for sale than there were pre-pandemic. So we are still not up to pre-pandemic levels. And if any of you were in the housing market 2018, 2019, we were complaining about low inventory then. So if we have 18.5% fewer homes for sale still, it means that we're still clawing and trying to get as much inventory as possible. For you sellers, this is a real opportunity. What can I say? Let's see, 21% of listings had price cuts. Okay, that's actually not that bad because frankly, the way I've seen things is a lot of people are still reaching way too high, trying to, go high to negotiate down, but that's not the best strategy for this market. I'm a big believer in accuracy because the closer you are to what the market is for that property, the more likely buyers are going to look at that price when they're shopping online and go, you know what, that seems reasonable. That seems in the ballpark. I'm going to go look at it. But when they see something that is obviously overpriced, they avoid it. And so that's just one of those metrics that I think people really need to think about is don't overprice your home because that hurts you in the long run. Los Angeles home values declined 1.2% in 2025, and home values are forecast to rise by 1.1% in 2026. Now, I think some of this is a function of which homes are selling and where. A lot of the more expensive homes were not selling in LA, but it doesn't mean they weren't selling. It just means their volume was down a little bit. But a lot of the more entry-level and mid-level homes were selling. So, frankly, anything in like the 1% range up or down, I call that kind of being in the froth. It's sort of the depending on what sells, everything, we're kind of going sideways right now. So I think there's a little bit of an opportunity, but I'm not expecting prices to explode unless interest rates really begin to drop, and fingers crossed on the interest rates. So but yeah, I think this is really good data and it helps us get perspective on what's going on in Los Angeles. Give me a call, shoot me a DM. It's time to get you into your dream house.